Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share 10 fast metrics that will help you solve problems in seconds. Perfect for exams, quizzes, and competitions. Make sure to stay until trick number 10 because it will blow your mind. Trick number 10. Trick number 10. Multiplying by 5 quickly. Example, 48 times 5. Just divide the number by 2, then multiply by 10. So 48 divided by 2 equals 24. Then we multiply by 10. So 24 times 10 equals 240. Therefore, 48 times 5 equals 240. Trick number 9. Trick number 9, multiplying by 9 using fingers. Let's do 9 times 7. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So connect 9 and 7. Then we count. And so 9 times 7 equals 63. Trick number 8. Trick number 8, multiplying by 11. Multiplying by 11 for two-digit numbers. Example, 35 times 11. We add 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. And then put 8 in the middle. We have 3, 8, 5. So 35 times 11 equals 385. Trick number 7. Trick number 7. Trick number 7 is squaring numbers ending in 5. Example, 45 square or square of 45. First step is we multiply 4 by 5. So 4 times 5 equals 20. And then we attach 25. So we have 20, then we attach 25, but we have 2025. Therefore, the square of 45 or 45 square equals 2025. Trick number 6. Trick number 6, fast percentages. Example, 15% of 240. So let's break 15 with 10 and 5. So what is 10% of 240? It is 24. And we have 5% of 240 equals 12. And then we add 24 plus 12 equals 36. Therefore, 15% of 240 is 36. Trick number 5. Trick number 5, subtracting from 1000. So subtract from 1000 by subtracting each digit from 9 and last digit from 10. So let's have an example. 1000 minus 648. Okay, we have 6. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. Next, 9 minus 4 equals 5. Next, for the last digit, we have 8. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. Therefore, 1000 minus 648 equals 352. Trick number 4. Trick number 4, multiplying by 4. Double the number twice. Example, 23 times 4. We double 23 and that is 46. And we double 46, we have 92. Therefore, 23 times 4 equals 92. Trick number 3. Trick number 3, dividing by 5. Multiply by 2, then move decimal point left. Example, 235 divided by 5. So first we multiply by 2. So 235 times 2 equals 470. Then we have the decimal point. Move to the left 1. So we have 47.0, or we have 47. So 235 divided by 5 equals 47. Trick number 2. Trick number 2, doubling large numbers. Break the large numbers, double each, then add. Example, we double 487. So we double 400, it is equal to 800. Then we double 80, 160. And we double 7, so we have 14. Next, we add 800 plus 160 plus 14 equals 974. Therefore, the double of 487 is 974. Trick number 1. Trick number 1, multiplying by 99. Multiply by 100 and subtract the number. Example, 78 times 99. First, we multiply 78 by 100. So 78 times 100 is 7,800. Then the next step is to subtract the number, which is 78. So 7,800 minus 78 equals 7,722. Therefore, 78 times 99 equals 7,722. That's it. 10 quick math tricks to save time and avoid mistakes in exams. Practice them until they're automatic. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math hacks. See you in the next video. Thank you!